I'm in London and I'm starting my first London. Something must have happened there. Police. Maybe they're getting ready for something. Yes. So I'm starting my first London vlog here in Camden Town. Why Camden Town? Well, it's a very vibrant place. Very vibrant, full of great energy, full of colorful, very colorful place, and it smells good here. Nuts. Smells good here. It's a vibrant place, and I think it's a place what represents London quite well, because it's a place of diversity. And here you can see, like, it's a touristic place, I know, lots of people comes here, but it's lots of things to see, to be seen in Camden. So let's go for a tour, to have a look what is going on in Camden Town. And let's go discover. Lots of different shops are here. Oh, there's a market. Let's have a look on the market. Here is a market with many British flags and English flags. They already playing Mikey here.
Yo!
Okay, so if you want to get your souvenirs, it seems like it's a good place for souvenirs here. London jumpers everywhere and t-shirts. I just want to briefly have a look through, have a look around, see what I can see. In my opinion, Camden Town is a great representation of London city. It's quite commercial here, quite touristic, but in my opinion it's worth looking around here, worth discovering. Ma Petite Jamaica, reggae and rum bar. Looks good. Already I see Jamaica. Ooh, Bob Marley. Missy Bob Marley. I build a cabin. Yes, so I believe here in Camden Town is everything. We can see anything. Like, I think it's a real representation of London, to see the hustle and bustle. And wow, this is very full of place, full of tourists. And yeah, this is some, look, they made this place, it seems like some place where you can dine in. They make it from the containers, you know. The last time I saw these kind of containers was in Košice, next to the train station where they was placing the people who came from Ukraine. Cool hairstyle. As I said, in here in Camden Town you can see any kind of diversity, any kind of people, lots of exciting things. I think it's very colorful, vibrant place, full of culture, and that's the places I like to look in, you know, just to discover, look around. And also it was a place where lovely Amy Winehouse used to live. That was her favorite place in London. She had her house or her flat here. So I think she had a good taste for culture, you know. Yeah, the reason why. Oh, cool. They have loads of cool buildings here. Colorful buildings with loads of shoes in them. I don't know why. Why are there the shoes in the houses? But, well, when I go somewhere, I don't really do research, you know. I just go and walk through, because I actually don't like doing research. I like discovering places for myself and finding things for myself, you know, like I don't like to be, you know, when you look at places where they do reviews. Oh, the Oxford Arms, that smells like fish and chips in here. Oh, and I like these London buildings where there is grass on it. Very nice and green city. This looks like a new building. Lots of buildings here are so colorful with lots of shoes coming out of the houses. I don't know what is the reason for it, but it's cool. It's cool. Yes. So I walk through the main street now towards. I'm walking towards Camden Look. So let's have a look and discover. Let's have a look and discover Camden Town with me, Liz Irie. Becoming always Irie. All right. I wonder how much is the prices here in this touristic place. I believe maybe because it's a very touristic place, maybe the price is a little bit put high up for these kind of London t-shirts, but I like they have many different artists here as a Tupac. I think here you can get any kind of t-shirt here. I see messy dress there. Loads and loads of different shops. So I'm really curious to see what is the hype about Camdem Town. It's very nice smell here from these nuts. Okay, so I already see why is it called Camden Look, because the looks are here then. Many looks. Look at that old building, it looks nice. It looks like from old, I would say, Victorian times. Let's have a look down there. Let's have a look on the boats. Yeah, that house looks like from old times, from like Victorian times, but it looks like they fixed it a bit. They put a bit of roof there and people go there, maybe for dining, maybe for some restaurants, for beer. Seems like there is many places where you can get your food, your takeaway, your street food. And I think from here you can also take a boat, and the boat will take you to many, I don't know where the boat will take you, but I think there are some cruises here around. Yeah, looks cool in here. There is some lunch pancake, oh, Dutch pancake, pasta. I think in this town, I'm not sure if in this town, but I think in London you can literally get any kind of country food that you can desire, and any country in the world, maybe even the countries I don't even know about. I can get food here. You see, sushi. What is here? Some interesting stickers. Cool. I like this place for the art, you know. I really like these artistic places. Very urban here. Loads of graffiti everywhere. Cool. I like the colorfulness here about Camden Town. Yes, it's very nice and vibrant here. So let's go discover a little bit more high up the road. This is where I come from. This is where I come from. Oh, it looks like so full up and packed out. It's Sunday today, full of people. You see, punk's not dead. So it seems like many music genres are around here. Orange juice. That looks quite full up, so I think that's the place where people go and eat. This is the ice cream truck. English ice cream truck. Interesting fact, in England, the ice cream trucks, they have just one flavor, vanilla. They don't have, well, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they just have one flavor. And you can put like different toppings on it. You can buy loads of touristic stuff here around. You can buy loads of different kind of food here. Probably any country food. Camden Look. So that is probably the bridge where the trains goes. Let's have a look here. What's here? What's that? I don't know where it comes out of. I think this is a place where you can buy food because I can smell loads of food. Pizza, meat, Mexican grill. Yeah, this place It's for food. I can smell some burgers. Oh, halloumi burger. Look nice. It looks very interesting here. But it feels like, I don't know, it must be hot in these plastic shelters. Oh, and this is the other side where we was before, where the river is. It smells good here. Unfortunately, I'm not hungry, so I may not get no food today. I had a big breakfast today. And it's interesting because it looks like here some of the houses looks like from Victorian era. And what is here? The coal exchange market. As I said, any kind of t-shirt. David Bowie is there. I think if you're looking for some kind of clothes that you cannot get nowhere else, Camden is the right place. Let's go through to see. Let's go outside.
That's right.
You just always get congested when you're somewhere inside. Oh, they even selling vinyls here. Really, I think you can really buy nearly anything and everything here, including the bad stuff, the bad things. Loads of good things anyway here. So yeah, I think it's a cool place for the tourists to come if they want to get any, how you call it, souvenirs. Yeah, if tourists want some souvenirs, if they want to try international food, this is the place to be. You can get retro signs here, vinyls, I think, juices, food. Let me see what kind of food here. Yeah, I think I would choose something vegetarian here as well. Smells good. Oh, full up. Seems like a peak time. Seems like everybody enjoying their food. Smells really good here. I think this is Spanish food, this one. Churritos. Is it called churritos? I don't know. And here we are again, where we come from. This is where we come from. Loads of nice food. It smells really good, but I'm not hungry. Full up. I'm a person who don't really go to these full up places full of tourists, but Camden Town is something special. There's a special feeling about Camden, you know, so it's worth visiting. Let me see what is going on there. It's like the man is, I don't know, some King's Guard is saying something. Hopefully he's saying that England scored in the Women's World Cup. So I'm here on the special day, very special day, when hopefully maybe England's women's gonna win the World Cup. Let's see, I don't know, but I have the feeling that they may win. I don't even know what is the score. Maybe I need to go peek in some pub around to see how is it going. But so far I saw like only one typical English pub, but I saw many places where you can get your international food. Let's have a look down the road. I wonder what is down there because not many people goes there. So maybe that's the end here. As I said, I don't know, Heartland Road and Camden Market. Oh, there's a market. All right. Let's have a look. Oh, and many Gothic shops. It really seems like whatever your style is, what clothes you like, you can always find anything here in this market. So, wow, there's some robots. It smells nice of fruits here. Nice juices. And it seems like maybe this might be other side of the market where I just come from. It looks very cool here. Some crazy robotic place, isn't it? Camden Market. So, as you can see, most of the things what is going on is a food. Pancakes, Italian, there's like Argentina food. Like I believe like nearly every kind of food what you would like you can find here. Even jewelry is here. I'm getting back to the crowds, but never mind. Getting back to the crowded places. I wonder if this market was here always like this, or if this is like new. Because these kind of things looks new, you know. What is it made of? Is it glass, plastic? These looks new as well, the plastic houses. But the architecture here of the market, like this kind of architecture, looks quite old, from maybe from like the Victorian times. Oh, lovely Amy! And people actually gave her some bracelets. Wow. I don't know what he's speaking, but beaucoup means very much in French, so I think he said he loved her very much. She was one of the best. One of the best, Amy. So, what is there? Lucky Club. What is the here? Is this like some Willy Wonka place? Willy Wonka, Willy Wonka. And there's vintage shop, vintage collection. Let's peek in. Yeah, these places look like is new here. Okay, they also have a public toilets. That's important on a public place like this. Oh, let me see what is here. Vintage shop. Cool. Market. Cash machines. We want your cash. But I think everywhere in London they do accept cards. So, but cash is also needed sometimes. You know, if you want to donate, maybe to some people, some homeless or something, it's good to have a cash. Yes, I'm thinking how the homeless people is gonna do it one day when there's gonna be cashless society. You know, how they gonna ask for change? They would have to have the cash machine to ask for money. Maybe one day, but I can feel it. One day there's gonna be cashless society. Well, something is already happening in places like, I think maybe in China they don't use money anymore. You know, like the physical money. They just use cards, and I think that's where the society is heading to. Camden beer. Should I not have one beer? Maybe. I'll see. So here it looks like maybe it's the end. Here, free cash withdrawals, and there is a Morrison's. So that's cool. Even if you want to get your. Oh, this is a toilet as well. This is actually a men's toilet. Outside toilet. Interesting. Maybe the drunk British men, they go in there in the night, you know, on their way from the bar. Yeah, there are some good pubs here in Camden. That pub looks closed. No, I like the old English pubs. I don't really like to go to bar full up of people. I like the kind of the old English style of pubs. They're the best. Good atmosphere, really good atmosphere in them. So the wall behind me looks very old. I wonder how old is the Camden Market? How long is it here? Let's just wait for the green man. Is it safe to cross? I don't think so. The double-decker is coming. 31, Camdem Town. Oh, Chalk Farm Road. Is there anything more further? I don't know. Yeah, I decided to make my way back towards the market and towards the tube. I also want to go visit England, London Tube or London Underground. It's not a subway or metro, it's actually underground or tube. So let's go back this way. And let's go also have a look into London Underground. Back to the vibrant place. Nice calm atmosphere here. Oh, they do tattoos here. The henna tattoos. Lots of souvenirs here. Yeah. Oh, cool. This looks like a vintage shop. I kind of like all vintage things. There's something about it. £25 for the jacket. It's the first price I see. Oh, this is like the typical Englishman hats here. Cool. Oh wow, I see the clock now here. 1849. So maybe that's the time from when the Camden market started running here. Maybe. I don't know. I'm actually looking for some old British pub. Maybe in the next video. God knows what is gonna be in the next video. So after visiting public toilet in Camdem Town, I discovered very interesting thing that I never see nowhere else in the world. They do have male and female toilets together. There is just one toilet and it's for both men and women. I never seen that anywhere else, and that's really surprised me because I did not expect that from London actually. Let's go back to London Underground. Oh, this is cute car. This is Italian food here. I wondered if this is Italian car. And I see statue of Amy, and I see statues of Tom Raider. Right? I need to take a selfie with Amy. Nice. I wonder where she used to go in these places. I wonder which food did she buy here? Which bar did she visit here? I wonder if this is new, actually, these plastic things, or if it was here even in Amy's times. I don't know. But looks very interesting here. Looks like people can get really any food they want. So what is this? Tomb Raider life experience. So what is the life experience if that is actually statue? That's not alive. Here they have some kebab, falafel, quinoa. Cool. Ooh, seems like a cool food in here. Loads of nice food in here. And off we go from the Camden market. What do they have here? Pancakes, juice, lemonade. Where is that way? I didn't go that way. Yes, I'm gonna go discover what is that way because I haven't been there yet. Wow, it's actually quite big, this market, you know? I didn't expect it's gonna be so big. What is here? Dr. Martin. What is up there? The Clash Steps. Let's go discover. Vintage style modern life. Oh, I love it. I love it about London. There's a lot of like vintage places. Please do not shit or sit on the steps. Oh, very interesting place here. I love it. I love discovering London because there is something hidden in every corner of here. Oi Oi, the shop. That's such a British, typical British name. Oi Oi shop. Oh, they have some books here. Amy, my daughter, Lily Ellen. Cool bookstore. Beatles. I think you can discover nearly everything what you want in this market. Literally everything. Literally everything is on this market. But we never see no Jamaican food yet. We just see Jamaican restaurant. So where am I going now? Seems like I went to the dead end. I think I'll need to come back. It's just a dead end. But it's interesting. It's an interesting place to discover and to have a view. You know, it's a good view from here. Good view. So this is a Camden Town brewery. So that means that the beer was brewed there. Okay. I'm thinking, am I thirsty? Am I not thirsty? Should I go? Should I not go? Good view from here. It was worth it going there because I think I discovered kind of good place to have a beer. I'm gonna try the beer from Camdem Town. I wonder how does it gonna taste, you know, Camden beer. Coyote, ugly. Lots of different music from all the angles. Whew. What do they have here? Where was the brewery? Oh, they do old-time photos. That's cool. Wow. The advantage about the times that we live in is that people can go back in time and people can wear what they want. If somebody really wants to wear like some vintage clothes, I think this time that we live in is very not judgmental really, where people, especially here in London, I see people would dress up how they want to. They have their style, many different kinds of style you can see. So let's have a look in the brewery for one quick pint. Alright. Is that the pub? I wonder. This looks more like American. Wow. What do they have? Thinking, should I get a beer here? Can I get it outside as well? It's a bit too loud in there. I'm sure they should have the beer available outside as well. I wonder. Hiya. Can I get beer here? Or just inside?
Unless you want the draft, it's inside.
Yeah, I want the draft. Is it really good, the Camden beer? Is it really good, the Camden beer? Yeah?
Camden Hills, yeah.
Is it like a lager?
Yes, it is. But
Okay.
it's the traditional Camden one, yes.
I'm gonna try it, thank you.
Okay,
Alright, cool. I think I'm just gonna give it a try, even though it's a little bit loud in there. I'm gonna get over it. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait, but it seems like quite busy as well. It feels more like in America than in England here. Actually. Hello, can I have the Camden beer, please? Camden? Is it like a lager?
Yeah.
Yeah, one please. 1 pint. Okay, the beer was $6.90. It seems like there is a regular price everywhere in London right now. She's preparing my beer now. 1 pint. Oh, how the football is going? I don't even know. Did it already finish? Wait, hold on. It looks like Spain win. Excuse me, is the football finished now? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Oh. I think the Spain actually win. Oh no. Because if England would have won, it will be a different atmosphere here, I think. It will be much louder even. So let's try Camden beer. Do you know what? I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go sit outside to try the beer. Ooh, nice. Nice refreshing beer. Oh, I'm just gonna take my seat here and drink the Camden beer. It's pint actually. Pint is more. 1 pint is more than half a liter. good and refreshing, cold beer. It's good. Yeah, compared to other beers, it's quite good. It tastes nearly like a Czech beer. If I should compare it to a Czech beer, it would be probably maybe Budweiser. It tastes a little bit like Budweiser. Yeah. Vintage shops around me. Oh, I wonder if Amy Winehouse came here and tried the Camden beer. I wonder. Also, this is actually, it's called Coyote Ugly, and it's called a salon. So I think I'm not wrong, it's actually salon. It's like American style of pub. There is just so much entertainment and so much things to do in Camden. But I just really wanted to come here briefly and to just indulge the atmosphere and experience it here. Yeah, it's cool. And I'm enjoying the nice beer. Well, it's nice and cold. Let me finish my pint and let's go. Good. Actually, very good beer. That was nice. Big in the... Yeah. So this is a special pub. Great. Oh, so Spain win. Congratulations to Spain. Cool. Good place, yeah. She's a really good entertainer, this lady. That's the lady that I spoke to before when I just came here to this store. Yeah, good entertainer. The beer was nice. Let's have a look in this vintage shop. Woo, looks cool in here. I like it. Loads of gems you can find in shops like this, you know? The price is alright. Yes. But they have lots of like branded stuff. Obviously, the branded stuff are much more pricey, but the boots are quite good. Yeah. So now my plan is to just go to the underground to see the London Underground from here. So let's go. Let's get through this maze. I think now I'm getting to the place where it's the most people. Look at the stones, they properly brushed off. This is I think this is really cool place. It's all smelling of food. Free samples here. Smells so much of food here. Korean street food. Oh, cool. Hello. They have some wok in here, Indian food. Cool. I think they also give a loads of free samples in Camden. Smells amazing here. Amazing. So, let's get out of here. Yeah, the beer was good. The beer worth it. Ooh, nice food. It looks like all meat. Maybe they have a tofu there as well. They have vegetarian quesadilla. Cool. On my way, while I was working here, I saw a few more vloggers. So I think this is actually place that lots of people look in and show. Sorry. For me it's interesting to come here. I'm really enjoying it and happy and great to be here. Look. So we get into the main street here, the main Straße. I think I'm gonna go on the opposite side because I went on this side and I want to discover the opposite side as well. How is it going here? Do the cars? This is just one-way road, I think, across the bridge. Yeah. So what is there? It seems like there's even more shops everywhere going on. Camden Look. Cool place, Camden Look. Let's cross the road. Now I'm free to cross. Great. That pint was on point. That was on point. In the hot weather like today, that was great actually. So this is the ice cream that I saw already. Cool car. Vintage car. Lovely. British flag. Oh, this is called High Street. So we are in the Camden High Street. Oh wow! Look at this man.
Oh, you.
That's lovely.
I'll take it off, get it, and eat
That's the man who was ringing on the bell. Maybe he was ringing when England lost. He was letting them know England lost, Spain win. Yeah, good for them. Yeah, no matter who win, it was great football. The girls done very well. I was watching it a little bit. I didn't watch the final. I watched only the semi-final.
God bless you.
God bless me. Yeah, I was the first person who took the leaflet. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Oh, that's nice. It's good to know that there are still godly people in this world. Leather goods. Harry Potter. Oh, this is all you can eat. Oh, that is one of the buffets, all you can eat Chinese buffet. Really cool. So in this store they have some cool hats here, some nice t-shirts. Also I saw a few like fake clothes here in Camden. So this is a paradise for anybody who likes fake clothes as well, for anybody who likes to get some original clothes as well, vintage clothes. Lots of different types of clothes are here. I think I'm gonna walk on the road a bit, as long as there's no car, because this road is practically all packed. Yeah, have a look. Pizza. Smells good. So this is the Oxford Arms. That is like a typical English pub here. And this one. Whose head? Elephant's head. Yeah. This is Elephant's Head. So that is another typical pub. I really like these old English pubs, you know. I'm gonna show you one English pub in my future videos. I will go to some typical English pub place. Now it's really packed in here. This road is like the most packed road ever. I think it's one way, so there's no problem of me walking on the street, because the food pub is really packed. Wow, look at these places. That looks cool. The shoe there. Oh, Namaste. That is Indian shop, I guess. I wonder how much would be a pint in the old British pub. Maybe probably the same. The 6.90 is like usually everywhere. That price now these days. Nowhere near like Eastern Europe. In Eastern Europe for £7 you can have like probably 7 beers. And here you have just one. No, never mind. It was good. It was a good experience. So this place is called Camden Market. Rooftop terrace. Looks like a place maybe for entertainment here. Looks like a place where everybody's thriving. People, you know, like many artistic people can come here, show their talent. Seems like it's a place where people show their talents a lot. Oh, nice doggy. Really nice doggy there, waiting for the owner. Yeah, I was there, that market. It seems like more and more people are around now.
We were in there.
Magnets, lots of souvenirs here. Loads of souvenirs. This smells good. It smells like a candy floss here. That's cool, Nutella. for the people who have the sweet tooth. There's really anything for anybody. Any kind of person what you like, you can find here. Seems like. Yes. So I think here we are coming off the high street. We're coming out of the high street. This is Camden Town station. Yeah, this is where I started my video. Also seems like the biggest density of people are here near the station. So this is the way out. Okay, I need to find a way in. Maybe from the other side. Let's go have a look. As I said, here in Camden Town in London, seems like a place where everybody can express themselves. You see, he has a big audience actually. And you see what I told you about the contactless? Cool. He was thinking in advance. People always carry a card with them, but no cash. So that's the place where I started from. And this is the world's end. So I think I'm gonna end it here, at the world's end. Oh, something must have happened here. Oh, that's not really appealing to London. That's the downfall of London, loads of crime as well, so hopefully nobody got really hurt. Oh, what is this congestion going? Whew. Is this the way in to the underground? Is it like stuck in here? Yeah, I think many people wants to get out of here. No, I'm not gonna end it here. I'm gonna still show the underground because oh, so he's just stopping the crowd so it doesn't get too crowded. I understand now. Let's go into the underground. This underground station seems like quite packed. Oh, they're really trying to organize it here, but
10 years old or younger this side, everyone else in the centre.
this is where you can buy your tickets, so to Bobby Oyster. Yeah, he's organizing it pretty good. He's saying the small kids go on this side. Here we go, into the underground. Seems like only 3 gates are open.
With small children, as those 10 years old or younger this side.
That's why is it going so slow? There's only 3 gates open. So what you do, you just touch with your card or with your Oyster card or bank card and you're in. You're in the underground. Okay. And it's congested again. So that is actually the minus of London. The bad things about London is that it's very congested and full of people. Especially when you go into touristic places like me. Wow, look at this railing. Seems like it's really old, and these tiles. The railing and the tiles looks quite old. Cool. I wonder when the station was built, because it seems like they didn't change nothing about the station since. Ooh, cool. The steps going down. This is cool. This looks very old in here. I like old things. I like old vintage things. Life looks pretty old. What is it? Maybe some lift. Oh no, people with buggy needs to carry the buggy up. So it's not a lift. It's not an old lift. Yeah, not every station of underground in London is accessible for buggy users or wheelchair users. No, it's not at the downfall. So far I actually named 2 downfalls of London, but many pluses. You know, the food, you can get any food you want, any international food. You can get any clothes, you have any style. Meet really good people here, many different nationalities of people. Long journey, isn't it? On the steps. Last step. Ta-da! Wow, look at this station. I like the look of this old station. It's really cool. So, I'm gonna take a train. Where am I going? It's pretty easy to find your way around the underground, because there is a line. Like, I'm going Northern Line now towards London Bridge. So there's a different colors. Every line has a different color. And when you get to the platform, I will show you. When you get to the platform, it will show you where the trains are going. I don't know. Wait, where am I going? Okay, I said it's easy, but I got confused. Is this going towards London Bridge? Yeah. I didn't get confused. No, I didn't get confused. I was right. This one is going towards London Bridge. Because it's saying Morden, and Morden is the last station there, so it's quite easy to get around in London. Look, the London Tube. I'm gonna end it here, I think. I'm gonna board the train. Keep it cool and stay airy. This is lovely.